Hello children, welcome back to the next session of EVS online class. Today we are going to continue with the first lesson of science, that is the magic of life. Before we proceed further, let us take a quick recap of the topics done. Last time we did about living and non-living things, the 7 main characteristics or the life processes of living things, and we also discussed about growth in human beings, animals and plants. Our next life process is nutrition. Living things need food to perform various functions such as walking, running, playing, studying, etc. So what do you mean by nutrition? Nutrition is a process of obtaining nutrients from food that are necessary for growth and other life processes. For example, a cow eats plants, a bird eats insects, grains, fruits, and some birds even eat fish and flesh of other animals. Human beings eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, milk and milk products, fish and meat. The food that we eat gives us energy to do work and also helps us to perform various life processes. But what about plants? Do they need food? Yes, plants also need food to perform various life processes as they too are living things. Now the question arises, how do the plants get food? Do they cook food? Have you seen plants cooking food? No, plants cannot cook food. So how do they get food? Most of the plants with green leaves prepare their own food in the presence of water, sunlight, air, and a green coloring pigment called chlorophyll. Children, the green leaves of the plant prepare the food as they have chlorophyll in it. The next life process that we are going to discuss is respiration. We breathe air in and out all the time, and this air is used by our body to get energy from the food we eat. The process of using air that we breathe to get energy from our food is known as respiration. Most of the land animals such as dogs, lions, monkeys, humans, etc. breathe with a pair of internal organs called lungs. Animals that live in soil such as earthworms breathe through their skin, and animals that live in water such as fish and lobster breathe with the help of gills. Again, the question arises, how do the plants breathe? The plants breathe through small openings on the surface of the leaves, which are called as stomata. Let us now explore another life process, that is movement. Animals move from one place to another to find food, water, shelter, or to escape from danger and to avoid extreme hot or cold climates. For example, a squirrel may move in search of food or to escape from its enemy. Flamingos and Siberian birds move from one country to another to avoid cold weather. Do you think there is any movement in plants? Unlike animals, plants do not move from one place to another. However, plants do move their parts towards what they need. For example, the roots of the plant grow downwards into the soil, whereas the stem grows towards the sunlight. This is referred to as movement in plants. So children, with this we come to the end of today's session. We will continue with the remaining part of this lesson in the next online class. Till then, goodbye and take care.